Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, October the 12th, 2024. We have here 6 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the 2 stars, 4 stars, and a killer Sudoku, the 4 stars binary, the 3 stars binary, and the tectonic. 6 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening, not all. And I've told you tomorrow, tomorrow is Sunday. We have no extra puzzles, no additional with extra puzzles. Only the sunrise logo. Alright, the first one is the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku number 9426. 9426. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. Yeah, this one is 26. Usually the 4 stars puzzle has 24. This one has 26. 2 digits more. Should be a 2 stars. Yeah, not a 4 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, the publisher has indicated this with the 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Question is this a 4 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see which number can I pick. How about there's a lot of 4s. 4, 4. Okay. Put the 8, 9, 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Need a 6 here. Need a 7 here. A 4. Come on. 692, 692. 7 and a 2. Well, in the last row, we need 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8. And look, we have 3 and a 5 in the last column. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. So 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 8. We have 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 9. Then 3, 5. 5 in this column, last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 here in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and a 4. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have 1 in this column, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 9 goes together with the 1 as a pair, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 6 goes there. 4 in this column, third column, 4 in the second column, so the first column. The only place left for should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 2 and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 in the second row, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4, should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between. The only place left for the 3 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 2 here. Need an 8 there. 2, 8, 9, and a 6, 6, 6. All right. Come on. Need 8 there. Well, in this row, the third row, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. Now only 2 places left. Sorry. The 8, sorry. No, again. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 2, need a 6, need a 9. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8, and the 4s, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. 7. 4 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column. Third column, no 7 there. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. And here can be 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. So the only place left with 7 in the third row should be there. All right. Seven. 1, 3, 9. 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers in the third row are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9. And look, we have 1 and 3 in this column. No 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And then 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third row for the number 9. All right. Okay. Then. Three and 5, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. Two numbers left in this column. Four numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. Let me mark those. 1, 1. Well, we have 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this first column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this column. Second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then let me see. 4, 3. Yeah, I'm thinking. 6, 6, 6. Two numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. Yeah. Need a 7 here. Need a 1, 7, and a 3. In this big square, we need a 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in this in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. 1. So we have 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be a 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 9 then. 1 box left now in the last column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Here also 2 and a 9. Yeah. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Well. Need a 1 there. 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. Yeah. With all the 3s. No. 3 and a 9. We have a 3 now in this second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 now in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there then. Then do we have all the 9s? No. But the 7s, 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Yep. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 7. Here, 2 numbers left, the tune of 5. One here also 2 numbers left, the tune of 5. We need a 6 here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. So 1 digit left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. 2 and the 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 or 9, we have a 9 now, so this box should be a 2. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for was the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I've marked this box with 2 or a 5, we have a 2 in this row. So it can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 60 minutes. We solve it again. We solve it again. Not a 4, not a 3. Let me give this 2 stars. Yeah, I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1-star puzzle. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.